which is available online, is test for the change we're going to be watching. That would be great. So we'll be of Mirasha, and I'm going to be your tutor of this course. So if I haven't met you before, then welcome to the course. If you just pop in a quick hello, so I know who's there watching, that would be great. So I'm going to start by giving a brief introduction to the course, talking about what resources and materials are available for you to use. Then we'll talk a little bit about the exam, and then we'll start with our first topic. Okay, so first of all, this course is a tuition only course, so I'm going to be teaching you the material, the syllabus for paper F6. The course is divided into 8 sessions, so there are 8 live sessions, which are generally going to be every Tuesday, but you should have a timetable available to you. Now, what I have made available to you on the Canvas platform, I assume you all have been on the platform. If you haven't, then please do go into the platform following the live session. What you have available on the platform is a study planner, which looks like this. Okay, so the study planner will tell you which dates we are having our live session. The date is given on the study planner. Okay, for the particular session, just so that you're aware of what is going to be covered on that session, and so during this, they will help you to determine whether you understood the key areas of that chapter. They will help you to apply that. Okay, and when we're talking about tax, it's important to understand who pays tax. Now, can you think of any other purposes or aims that determine how taxation policy is set? So can you think of an example of encouraging people to do what? For example, work. Okay. How is the tax legislation set every year? Well, what happens on the 5th of April and ends on the 5th of April the following year. Okay? End on the 5th of April the following year. Okay? So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at, okay, so if you have a deposit at the bank, who pays national insurance? Mark questions. One of it is always going to be on income tax, and one of it is always going to be on corporation tax. Okay, so these are important topics. They're always going to be examined as a 15-mark question. Then in section A, okay, section A can cover any area of the syllabus. Okay. Then, what about these 3 questions in section B and this 1 question in section C? So these questions, these 4 questions, there is individuals and companies pay. Following the end of the tax year, that date. Now his accounts, the statement of profit or loss for that accounting period, we look at all of the expenses which have been debited or deducted in arriving at the accounting profit. If they're allowable, we'll be arriving at the accounting profit or credited. To remove it, we have to do the opposite. We debit it or deduct it by putting it in the plus, in the minus column. Okay, so we've considered everything in the statement of profit or loss, including add up the minus column 35,000. Okay, and taking away the minus column from the plus column, we're left with 80,000 tax adjusted profit. So this is the profit on which the sole trader will pay income tax, not the accounting profit. So we'll look at that, and then we'll look at a question on. Okay?